we sometimes have a problem with are people that kind of treat us like a zoo.
Check it out. Yo. Check it out. It's fucked up.
This is Slab City. We met a lot of people in this city, in the desert. Salvation Mountain was hand-built and painted by a man named Leonard Knight. Leonard died in 2014, but his mountain still remains. Residents of Slab City say that there is a strong vortex, some kind of energy that they feel in the air. I didn't feel anything.
So we're at Slab City at the library.
Yeah.
They told me that you guys do exchanges with the books.
It's pretty much there's no return policy. You come in, you find a book you like, you can take it.
And people could bring books here too?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
you guys take books?
Not currently for books. Take any kind of donations. Right now we're pretty full on certain genres, like
As you can see,
suspense.
there are
We're
more
not
books.
taking any more suspense.
No more
but,
suspense.
There's a couple of genres that we're still taking, like religion, health, stuff like that. We're a little low on.
Gender and
Okay.
sexuality and stuff like those certain topics. Not a lot of books about it.
When we asked the residents, is this city lawless? The answer was always no. They say that it's more like courteous, but also telling us if things go south with a fellow neighbor, then it is lawless.
So you built this?
No, I did not build it. I am just the caretaker. My friend Cornelius is responsible for designing and getting most of it built.
And how long you been living here?
I've been here since 2015, on and off, mostly during the winter season until this year, when I took over the position of head librarian, and now I live here year-round.
Why do you live here?
Why? Because I think that knowledge should be free and available for anybody that wants it.
And what's your name? Can I ask your
I'm
name?
Andrew.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Head librarian at Slab City.
We don't have a problem if the people that come through are respectful, you know,
Yes.
like you guys have been. The people we sometimes have a problem with are people that kind of treat us like a zoo. Because it's like, let's go look at the crazy desert people and put cameras in their face without permission and stuff like that.
Yeah.
You know.
I know, that's why I was telling him, you need to ask for permission. You don't want to just go in there and...
Well, yeah, because some people might be out here that they're nobody. They don't want to know. They don't want to have nothing to do with the
family situation.
Yeah.
Or, hiding
They
from
do-
an
yeah.
ex-wife, ex-husband.
Yeah, but since you have a
you know.
YouTube channel, you,
Yeah,
So
I'm
what
not
is
hiding
it?
from anybody.
what's your YouTube channel?
My YouTube channel is Wasteland Librarian, but it's kind of a new channel, so there's not a whole lot of content on there yet. If you want to see a channel that would be an even better picture of the kind of the evolution of this place over the last 3.5 to 4 years, check out my friend Cornelius' YouTube channel. It's Cornelius Van Gogh, just V-A-N-G-O. And the library also has a Facebook page. It's just Slab City Library.